Hi guys, I am in my bathroom right now, and today I'm going to talk something a little bit special. So most of us, especially men, we have snoring problems. So especially like a big guy like me, I have like a lot of fats here. So what happened is the snoring happens because of the throat. Um, what happens is your throat like this, and it sort of it sort of vibrate. It sort of close down and vibrate when you breathe in and out when you sleep. So the vibration will cause the snoring. So there's quite a number of treatments out there where you need to pay hundred and thousands of ringgit. So what I found out recently is this product is called Silence. It's a anti-snoring throat spray. It is made in France, packaged in Australia, and is now sold in Malaysia in Caring Pharmacy only for 79.90 per box. So how does it look like? Let me show you. It's something like this. So this is the spray. It's like this. So how it works like, okay, here comes the nozzle. How it works like it basically spray the foam, and you have to digest before you sleep. After you drink water, just the right moment after you do your toothbrush, everything, you spray this inside, swallow it, and then you sleep. So the foam is made from a blend of like coconut oil and vegetables, plant, sorry, not vegetables. It's plant ingredients, no meat, no pork element. So this is 50 ml. This is good for, what do you call it? This is good for a month. So what happened is, okay, like this. So what you do is just put inside, spray it, you have a foam, and then you swallow it. The reason not spraying because I'm talking right now. So what happened is the foam will actually coat your throat, and at night it stop it vibrating, hence you stop snoring. So this product is made in France here, and it is approved by the relevant, what do you call it, the relevant agencies in Malaysia, and it's available in Caring Pharmacy right now. See, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so 79.90. Just turn upside down and spray it and show you right now. So basically, it's something like this. So what happened is it tastes like lemon. Okay, it's it tastes like lemon, and then some say it tastes better. So so I use it like for a week. It's gradually stopped my snoring, and then this product is it's only 80 ringgit. So instead of paying hundreds or thousands of ringgits, come. Okay, okay, focus. So something like this, silence. So you can see this packaging in Canon Pharmacy right now. So you give it a try. No harm. It's made in France. It has been in UK and packaged as other name for a very long time. But this is like brand new in Malaysia. Okay. So remember, you just spray it 2 seconds for 3 times. Just swallow it, and then usually you'll stop snoring. But you have to use it like daily. You can't like use it one day, stop for one day, because how it works is because it coats your throat, so it stops its vibration, so no snoring when you have the foam there. So again, not going trying to be lengthy. So this product Silence is available at Caring Pharmacy right now. All the Caring Pharmacy in Malaysia exclusively, 79.90 ringgit. And this is like a something you can buy for a partner for ladies, and for some of the girls who snore, or you know sometimes you just can't sleep, you have a, if you're like sleeper, so this is something you can try. It's just 80 bucks. Okay, some clinics carry this, but I think it's better you go to Caring Pharmacy. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. We are doing lots of videos like this, and thank you for watching. So again, this is silence. So if you have like a your dad or your husband, it's snoring, and you can try this. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See ya.